Welcome once again to What's New in O-Gauge, our weekly look at new products for our 3-rail layouts, libraries, and terrain rooms. This week we have new product announcements from Menards, MTH trains, and more. See the video description for more information about each of the following products. Lionel Trains has announced the upcoming release of its 2024 Volume 2 catalog. Look for a special episode of this channel with an in-depth look at this new catalog once it has been released. Menards has released a blizzard of Chicago and Northwestern products, including a new C&NW FP7 diesel in both powered and non-powered versions, and an assortment of rolling stock. The FP7 diesel, like Menards' previous diesel products, features twin can motors and an easy-to-use remote control with horn, bell, crew talk, and engine sounds. These scale models are a full inch longer than Lionel's F3s, so they will have difficulty with Lionel O27 turnout motors. Therefore, O31 and larger curves are recommended. The powered models are available online for $168.53 before rebate, and the non-powered version is priced at $89.88 before rebates. Menards has also produced a new matching Chicago and Northwestern caboose. Like the previous Pennsylvania Railroad release, these individually numbered cabooses feature Menards' new die-cast trucks and couplers, interior illumination, and flashing red marker lights. The cabooses are priced at $29.99 each, or 4 for $99.96 before rebates. Also joining the Menards lineup are new Chicago and Northwestern 2-bay ACF covered hoppers, priced at $34.99 each, or 4 for $114.99 before rebates, and new Chicago and Northwestern 40-foot boxcars, priced at $24.99 each, or 4 for $84.96 before rebates. Follow the links in the video description for more details about these new Menards products. MTH Electric Trains will be releasing the 2024 Rail King O-Scale Alco RS-1 diesel locomotive in Baltimore, Ohio, New Haven, Santa Fe, Susquehanna, Great Northern, and Minneapolis and St. Louis schemes this fall. These 14-inch long, scale-proportioned models feature twin can motors and all standard ProtoSound 3.0 sound, light, and control features. The locomotives will be available in extremely limited quantities and are expected to begin shipping to MTH authorized retailers in October 2024 with a suggested retail price of $409.95 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an uncatalogued Rail King O-Gauge Extended Vision caboose in Santa Fe black bonnet colors for Patrick's Trains. The 10 3/4-inch long model features twin die-cast operating couplers and interior lighting. The cabooses will be offered in 2 unique car numbers in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in September 2024. The early order price is $79.99 each. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge Bump and Go trolley in special Broadway South Ferry colors for Train World. The 8 1/4-inch long model features a single long-lasting motor, a bumper reverse mechanism, and movable trolley poles. This trolley will be available in very limited quantities on a first-come, first-served basis beginning in November 2024. The early order price is $99.99. MTH Electric Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge operating aquarium car in a special Lake Erie fishery scheme for the train loft. This exciting car features a backlighted moving animation strip visible through each of the car's 4 large viewing windows. Utilizing a quiet and efficient motor player and bright LED lighting, the animated action really shines bright. The cars will be produced in 2 unique car numbers in very limited quantities and will be available for delivery beginning in November 2024. The early order price is $89.95 each. MTH Trains has announced an exclusive Rail King O-Gauge boxcar with power meter in unique cheer wine colors for the train loft. These 11.5-inch long models feature die-cast trucks and couplers and an operating analog AC power meter. The cars will make an excellent complement to Trainloft's previous Cheer Wine releases and will be available for delivery beginning in September 2024. The early order price is $84.95. And remember to visit our Toy Train Tips and Tricks storefront on Walmart.com. This channel does receive a small commission on qualifying sales generated from these links. And a programming note: due to a recent injury, Toy Train Tips and Tricks episode number 192, originally scheduled for publishing on July 20th, will now be released on Saturday, July 27th at 2 p.m. Eastern, and regular weekly publication of the series will resume at that time. Watch for the special Lionel 2024 Catalog Volume 2 recap later this week on What's New in O Gauge. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.